Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers, and welcome to our YouTube channel. By the way guys, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Catursa, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. Now we are here at Barangay San Francisco, Talibon, Bohol. So there is also San Francisco, Ubay, Bohol, and this one is San Francisco, Talibon, Bohol. So approximately 5 kilometers from the town proper, and we have a property for sale, 1.7 hectare or 17,154 square meters. Tax declaration, not yet titled and ready to be titled. Located here in Barangay San Francisco, Talibon, Bohol. Okay, so this is the property guys. Then it has already a water line connection, no problem with the water line connection. Signal is good and it has improvements. Jumelina 2 big cook mango trees. So the place is very nice. You can build a house here overlooking, then very close from the fish pond, the also fish pond, or adjacent, almost adjacent. Okay, so this is the property guys. The boundary line is there. Here see, here comes the boundary. So this is really very nice guys. So it's a big flat, a little bit sloping, or I think we can say it downhill, a little bit sloping. So as for me guys, this is good for farming and residential, or even we can make it into a subdivision development. Pwede siya pang subdivision or farming lang siguro. Magawa kayo ng residential at mag-farm ka dito. So actually guys, Talibon is a northern part of Bohol province, which is around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. This is first class municipality of Bohol, one of the first class municipality of Bohol. So see, transportation going here guys, there are tricycles or single taxi, as this is single taxi, or what we call as habal-habal. So pwede yan sa pero may talaga, may mga tricycle talaga na mag-travel or mag-biyahe papunta dito. So just few minutes away from the main road, So according to our guide, there is part of the property, this one guys. Although the irrigation is inside of the property, and going there also here. So see, very nice. So that house is the house of the owner, but I'm sorry to tell you that the owner is not here. They are living in Manila. So nakatira sila sa Manila, guys. Nagkontak lang siya sa akin na magpatulong na ibenta yung lupa nila. So ito, guys, is a lowland, no, which is part of the property. So pwede ito i-convert into a fish pond. So kung gustuhin natin, hanggang doon yan, guys, pwede i-convert ng fish pond. Kasi ano po yan, dagat na po yan sa tabi, no. It's a canal already. Try to say. Ano pa talaga? Oh. Pwede rin rice field natin. Yung guide natin nagsabi hanggang dito, guys. It's part of the property. So meaning you either convert this into a rice field or convert into a fish pond. Pwede. So maganda po talaga. Yan po. I think it's too muddy, no, to go there, but try. So ito po yung lupa, guys, no. The price is 500 pesos per square meter. Negotiable. So negotiable po yan. Regarding the titling, guys, no, there's no problem, no. You are not able to pay the capital gain or any taxes of transfer because this is tax declaration. Usually, guys, here in Bohol, we just directly process this into administrative titling. So owner need not to go register of deeds until such time that it is transferred to your name and the title. So yun po maganda dito. So see, so yung kalabaw hindi kasali. So ito po yun, guys. Still part of the property. See? So I repeat, the property we're selling is 17,154 square meters. It's a clean title at 500 pesos per square meter. So ang maganda dito, pwede ka mag-farm din kung gustuhin mo rin na pumunta sa dagat. Malapit lang 'yon, no. Tinatawag namin 'yan sa Bisaya Katunggan. It's a mangrove area with phase 1. And you can just go there, hit spray. So no problem, no. Yan po. Okay. Let's say that's the owner's house, no. It's temporary. Pag magpunta sila dito, dito sila magtira. Ang kaso lang medyo let's try. Tabi. Labong. Still there are coconut trees, Gimelina trees. So walang problema, may just in case, no, temporarily pwede tayong tumira. So ito po yun, mataas po ang lapad ng kalsada, guys, kasi ito po yun. Ito road na talaga yan. Okay. Okay. Again, thank you very much, and God bless to all. And then if you have properties for sale, just submit it us. Cebu and Bohol lang po ang kaya ko. So yung taga-iba, just forward me the documents and the video so that we can upload it in our YouTube. So yun po ang maganda. Okay? Maraming salamat ulit, and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye. Driver sa tricycle na